Bore da. Wel heddiw, dyn ni wedi dod I fferm gymunedol Goblin yn Dimbych I weld rai o'r anifeiliaid sy'n byw yma. Today we've come to Goblin Community Farm in Denby to see some of the animals that live here. Pa anifeiliaid byddwn ni'n gweld gyntaf? Which animals are we going to see first? Come on, let's go and have a look.
Look who we've got on the farm today. We've got 2 donkeys. This donkey here is called Annie, and we've got Dougal over there. And we've also got little William, who's a Shetland pony. I think William's a little bit cheeky. Dyma ceffyl bach fi, William, sy'n byw ar y fferm. Ac hefyd mae'n nilod o'r enw Annie fan hyn a Dougal yn fan.
O, dyma ni wedi dod I lle mae'r cwt lle mae'r llwyddo bach. O, sbiwch del ydyn nhw. Maen nhw'n gorwedd yn gynnes a chlyd yn fama. Be am gyfri I weld faint sydd yma, ia? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, dydyn nhw'n del. Oh, well, we've come to the shed where the calves are nice and warm in the straw here. Shall we count and see how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, and they are so cute. And I think they're going to go to sleep now.
Oh, how about we sing Ba Ba White Sheep, have you any wool? Are you ready? Ba Ba White Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Hooray! How about we sing Horsey, horsey, don't you stop. You ready? Horsey, horsey, don't you stop. Just let your feet go clippity clop. Your tail goes swish and the wheels go round. Giddy up, we're homeward bound.
Be am canu G ceffyl bach yn cario ni'n dau? G ceffyl bach yn cario ni'n dau, dros y mynydd I hel ac nau, dŵr yn yr afon a cerig yn slip, gwypa ni'n dau, wel dyna chi dryc. O, be am canu mynd drot ar y gaseg wen? Mynd drot ar y gaseg wen, mynd drot i'r dre. Ma' fi'n dod yn ôl dros fryn a do, a rhywbeth neis I de. Wel, da ni wedi dod i'r shed I weld y gwartheg yma hyn rwan. As you can see, we can to see the cows in the shed here. Be am ganu dacw mam y dŵad? Dacw mam y dŵad a ben y gandda wen. Rhywbeth yn ei ffedog a physter ar ei ffen. O ddiw yn y beidi, redi am y tro. A tro'r ochr arall i'r chwarae Jim Crow. Jim Crow crestyn, 1 a 2 a 4, a'r mochyn bach yn eistedd, mor fel ar y stôl. Oh, dwi'n meddwl bod nhw eisiau canu hefyd ni, dwi'n meddwl. They want to sing with us. Shall we sing Old MacDonald Had a Farm? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Dewch am dro I fferm newydd ifan, E-I-E-I-O. Ag ar y ffermau yma defaid, E-I-E-I-O. Gyda me fan hyn a me fan draw, me ar bob llaw. Dewch am dro I fferm newydd I fan. E-I-E-I-O.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pony, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh here and a neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a donkey, E-I-E-I-O. With an E-O here and an E-O there. Here an E-O, there an E-O, everywhere an E-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, da iawn. Oh, we've had a lovely visit to the farm today. How about we sing Hwyl Fawr Ffrindiau? Hwyl Fawr Ffrindiau, Hwyl Fawr Ffrindiau, Hwyl Fawr Ffrindiau. Mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr. Bye bye everyone. Oh, hwyl fawr, bye bye from Goblin Farm.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.